we've got the new Insta360 X5 action cam.
Wow.
So we should be able to do better videos this time.
That'll be good, won't it? That's a step up.
It'll be a miracle if they're better than what we produced before, which was sensation.
Some people might think it's easy to do better.
Scissors. Oh.
You can do it. And update the firmware as well. So you can extend it out.
Right.
That's it.
Wow.
Quite a long way.
Wow.
Goodness.
And then you can record high up or out
Under
to
the
the side.
bed. Any dust under the bed?
Yeah. Probably.
So it helps with not having to, you don't have to necessarily point at what you're filming because it records everything all the way around.
Wow.
So hopefully we can spend more time enjoying ourselves and less time worrying about what we're filming.
What's the battery life, do you know?
I'm not sure.
So, do you know when you're walking along and you're doing like the view and then you want to, you flick it round so that you're talking in the camera? You don't need to do all
I don't
that
have to
now.
do that anymore.
Oh,
No.
wow.
So this is the DJI Mini.
Looks like a frog. Look at his face, frog.
Oh, yeah.
It's frog-like. So it's a bit different to the original Mini DJI Mini drone. I'm not sure. Oh, this unclips here.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, that's a good size screen.
Can I switch it on?
Yeah, so let's try to switch it on. Or
Yeah.
even if we are walking, we can look ahead on the path and
Right.
try to figure out if it's worth going one way or a different way.
Yeah, excellent.
Marvellous!
Marvellous.
I'm looking forward to using all this.
Absolutely. We need the sunshine and somewhere nice to go. Where shall we go?
Trouble is, you haven't got enough days to learn how to use it before we go.
No, just 2 days. Have to learn as we go.
Yeah. What else there is?
We'll have to use it in Estepona, I think.
When shall we go?
Wednesday?
Yeah, that's as good a day as any. Let's just do it.
Yes. Why not?
1 week or 2?
2.
Good for you. I like your attitude. Excellent. Oh, I'm looking forward to some warm weather. I put the coffee pot on to celebrate it.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be better to go inside?
Bye.